Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about Google Ads retargeting. So what is Google Ads retargeting? Retargeting, also known as remarketing. Remarketing or retargeting is a great way to get additional conversions. Retargeting refers to following users who have engaged with your ads by tracking cookies and targeting them again to give them another chance to click your ad. This might be one of the most important tools at your disposal because most potential customers need to see your ads more than once to convert. Okay, so retargeting or remarketing is very important for Google Ads. So now Google Ads terms you should know. Previously we talked about some terms that are ad rank, quality score. So what is ad rank? Ad rank refers to the value that determines where your ad appears in comparison to other ads and whether it appears at all. And then quality score. What is quality score? As we mentioned previously, quality score is a metric that show you how good your ad is compared to your competitors' ad. You will see it on a scale from 1 to 10. A greater quality score indicates that your ad is relevant and that your Google Ads landing page provide a good user experience. Bidding. So what is bidding? Every time Google Ads has a free space for a new ad, it will start an auction. Business owners who want to advertise bid on those actions to get the advertising spot. There are 4 main bidding strategies. So first, maximize clicks. When you can create ad or run Google Ads, if your main goal is to drive more traffic to your website or to sell products, you can use bidding strategy that is maximize clicks. And then if your bidding strategy is maximize impression or views, if your goal is increasing brand visibility, you should focus on impressions. This means that you won't pay for each click you get, but rather for the number of impressions. In simple terms, you will pay for every 1000 times your ad appears to someone. That means you pay Google for impression or views. Next, maximize conversions. If your main goal is increasing the number of conversion you get, you may choose to pay for each conversion you get from a Google ad. No matter what kind of conversion it is, if you want to choose this option, your conversion tracking must be turned on. So this focus is better suited for intermediate and advanced users. Fourth and next, maximize views. Similar to impressions but more focused on video ads. Bid on video views when you want to create captivating videos. This will also allow you to track how your ideal customers engage with your video, thus letting you tweak your video ads and improve them. That's it. In this video, we learn about some important terms or ad terms about Google Ads. So firstly, ad rank, quality score, bidding. In bidding, there are 4 sections: maximize clicks, maximize impressions or views, maximize conversions, maximize views. So next video, we learn about Google Ads campaign types.